We humans have a notion that all that is there in this world belongs to us, and we have all the right to squander its natural resources. For years, we have misused our most important resource, water. There is water crisis today, but the crisis is not about having too little water to fulfill our needs. It is a crisis of managing water poorly. One thing that people need to understand is that each one of us can help and save this country and the world. Are you anxious to make a difference to save our natural resources? Recently, students of City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 2 took out a huge march calling for preservation of water and conservation of underground water resources. This huge walk began from Gomti Nagar. The chief guest for the occasion, Mr. Brijesh Mishra, editor ETV Uttar Pradesh, flagged off the water walk while various prominent citizens of the city, including the guest of honor, Mr. V.N. Garg, IAS, and Mr. Pankaj Srivastav, programming head ETV Uttar Pradesh, joined in the walk to convey their solidarity with the cause of creating awareness amongst the masses. This walk was taken out under the leadership of CMS founders Drs. Jagdish and Bharati Gandhi. The walk was led by the President and Chief Operating Officer, City Montessori School, Professor Geeta Gandhi Kingdon, principals and teachers, along with the thousands of students. School as a lighthouse of society, City Montessori School, the largest city school in terms of number of students enrolled as per the Guinness Book of World Records, has taken large number of measures towards conservation of water. City Montessori School campuses are equipped with rainwater harvesting plants. CMS has adopted the Green Schools program of the Centre for Science and Environment, New Delhi. Water walk of City Montessori School students indeed became a source of motivation for the public of Lucknow, as was evident from the enthusiasm of the masses assembled to watch the CMS students walk. Its children are involved in tree plantation drive in the city from time to time. Placards containing slogans and messages like Save Water, Save Future, Jal Hi Jeevan Hai, Saving Water Can Save the World, Don't Be a Fool, Cover Your Pool, Jal Bachao, Jeevan Bachao, Jal Hai To Kal Hai, presented a very picturesque view. Upon reaching Lohia Park, the march got converted into a huge rally, which was addressed by renowned personalities. Expressing his views on the occasion, chief guest Mr. Brijesh Mishra, editor ETV Uttar Pradesh, said, "Water walk is indeed unique as it is based on a theme that affects not just the present but several future generations."
जगदीश गांधी जी से सीखने की जरूरत है कि समाज के प्रति जो हमारे सरोकार हैं और जो दायित्व हैं उनका हम किस तरीके से सफलतापूर्वक निर्वहन कर सकें। जगदीश गांधी जी उसके उदाहरण हैं। तो मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि जगदीश गांधी जी के लिए और उनके प्रयासों के लिए उनकी सराहना होनी चाहिए और हम सब उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, ये जो आज का विषय है ये बहुत अपने आप में बहुत गंभीर विषय है और इस विषय में आप सबकी जो भूमिका है वो बहुत अग्रणी और बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है।
Addressing Water Walk, Mr. V.N. Garg, IAS, said that for water conservation, the most important need is to sensitize the public, bring positive change in their attitude, and let them know its importance. Thanking the guests, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi said water conservation is an important issue about which the masses need to be sensitized.
Conservation of water and protection of environment और ग्रीनरी के लिए भी बहुत काम हुआ है। तो हम आदरणीय गर्ग साहब के बहुत आभारी हैं उनके मार्गदर्शन के लिए और एक्टिव उनके सहयोग के लिए और उनका निरंतर जो मार्गदर्शन हमें मिलता है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करते हैं।
Headmistress, City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 2, Mrs. Aditi Sharma, thanked students and teachers of other schools who have also participated in this walk so enthusiastically. Chief Operating Officer of City Montessori School, Professor Geeta Gandhi Kingdon, said,
"Water is a common resource. It is in the ground. Anybody can dig a borewell and draw the water out. So we have to have ways of making that an individual property rather than a common resource. Because if it's a common resource, it is very well known that common resources are exploited till they finish."
A small educational cultural program was put up by the students.
एक बूंद पानी भी टपकता है तो 32 लाख लीटर साल का वेस्ट होता है। सच बात है। और यहाँ देखो, एक बूंद तो क्या, पूरे इतने सारे टैंक से नदियाँ बहती हैं और इस रुके हुए पानी से कितनी महामारियाँ फैलती हैं। एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा जब आधे से ज्यादा लोग इन वाटरबॉर्न बीमारियों से ग्रसित होंगे। दुनिया के एक तिहाई लोगों को सैनिटेशन का पानी भी नसीब नहीं होता है। अरे दूसरों की छोड़िए, अपनी कहिए। रिसर्च कहता है कि आज आने वाले 10 से 15 सालों में चाहे कितना भी अमीर आदमी हो, चाहे कितना गरीब आदमी हो, 1.5 बाल्टी तो क्या, 1 बाल्टी पानी पूरे दिन भर के लिए नसीब नहीं होगा। इस मंजिल को पाने के लिए हम सभी को प्रयास करना होगा। अगर सभी मिलकर इस मंजिल को प्राप्त करने के लिए सब अपना हाथ बढ़ाएंगे तो यह मंजिल बहुत करीब हो जाएगी। तो आज हम सबको मिलकर यह निर्णय लेना है कि हम भविष्य में इस पानी को ऐसे ही क्यों रहने दें। जरा सोचिए।
This social service initiative of City Montessori School is indeed an awareness-spreading drive towards water conservation. Mother Teresa had said, "We ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop."